Hello YouTube, in this video we'll try to solve problem error. Windows has stopped this device because it has reported the problem code error 43. First we have to check our Windows updates to make sure that all the drivers are being updated. So click Start, goes to Settings, and for Windows, and then for Windows updates, and install all the drivers as you can see here. What to do is go to Manage, Device Manager, or by Properties, and move down to Device Manager. Okay, and then you have a problem with USB. Go to USB and check each one of them by install. Okay, then action, and go for scan for hardware changes, or just by click here, scan for hardware changes one by one. One by one. For third method, click on USB root and remove allowed computer turn off this device to save power. And then for second one, third one, and for USB 3.1, and restart your computer and try again. Search for power, edit power plan, go change advanced power settings, look for USB settings, click OK, restart your computer, and hope that will solve the problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.